In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen in Google Meet. First, let's start by heading over to Google Meet. If you're not signed in yet, you'll need to do that. So look for the sign in option and click on it. You will be prompted to choose your Google account. Here, you'll see a list of your accounts if you're using multiple ones. So go ahead and select the one you wish to use for this meeting. Once you've chosen your account, it's time for the next step, entering your password. Type that in and click on Next. Make sure you've entered it correctly to quickly proceed to the next part. Now that you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Meet homepage. Here, locate and click on the New Meeting button. You'll see a drop-down menu with several options. For this purpose, select Start an Instant Meeting. This choice will allow you to begin a meeting immediately without scheduling it beforehand. Remember, this feature is perfect for those quick on-the-fly meetings where you need to share information right away. As the meeting environment loads, you'll notice several features at the bottom of your screen. Among these, close to the camera icon, there's an icon for screen sharing. It might appear as a small box with an arrow pointing upward. Clicking on this icon will initiate the screen sharing process. Once clicked, you'll be presented with options regarding what exactly you can share. Google Meet allows the flexibility to either share your entire screen, a specific window, or a particular tab from your browser. Consider what contains the information you need to present and select accordingly. For example, if you're presenting a specific document or website, sharing a single window or tab can help you focus your audience's attention and prevent unrelated notifications from appearing. After making your selection, confirm that by clicking on the Share or Share Screen button, and voila, you are now sharing your screen with all participants in the meeting. While sharing, remember to occasionally check back with your audience to ensure everything is visible and the content is clear. When it's time to stop sharing, simply go back to the screen sharing icon. It will usually have changed to show that sharing is active. Click it again to cease sharing your screen. Always keep in mind that your shared content is visible to everyone in the meeting, so close any sensitive information you don't want to be seen beforehand. And that's it. You're now equipped with the know-how to share your screen in Google Meet, whether it's for presenting slides, showing data, or collaborating on a project in real time. Screen sharing is a crucial tool for effective communication in virtual meetings. Thanks for joining today's tutorial and happy sharing.